This is the first tryout of the layout. What I mean is this is the first time I've had any stock running on the layout since moving it into the shed. And what I've done is completed a loop of the branch line track, the part that's going to rise and run along the other side of the shed at an elevated level position into a 3-road fiddle yard, and then back down the other side back to the horizontal and flat scenic portion of layout. A very quick run through because when I get some more stock running, it's very windy and rainy outside actually, but it's 99% dry in the shed. So I'm using one of my favourite little engines, quite an old one, Bachmann at 3F, is it 3F? No, it isn't, it's J39. Anyway, here we go. And to identify any glaring errors, so I'm not running it slowly because of issues of track continuity. As far as I can tell, there's only one track feed. I mean, I've plugged the controller into an old track feed because if I open the points, then I end up with a dead circuit, and the train will stop, certainly in that section. So this is helping me to identify any glaring errors so far with the layout, with the track laying. The first engine I tried on it was my Intercity. It's an old Ringfield motor, Hornby model, and I wouldn't care too much if that went crashing off the layout to the ground. Across the door, the lift out section is an L girder of 9mm ply, which it's 9mm ply for the horizontal part and 3mm ply for the stiffening on the back. I've managed to just cut and shape it at the ends. It seems to have quite a repeatable location. There's a bit too much play, so we'll have to look at means of more positively locating it. And the cross join is just done by twisting those wires together at the moment. And clearly there's a little bit of dirt on the track or something over there because the engine has stopped there now. So there it is. At this point in the day, in spite of the untidiness of the shed and layout, pleased to have run something for the first time in many, many weeks. And I'm encouraged now to continue with the other 2 circuits and tidying up all the other issues.